Hi everyone, I'm Sarali Kasarla and I'm a Senior Technology Manager for Workday at Southwest Airlines. We are known for our hospitality, pride, and fun-loving attitude. We are about 75,000 employees at Southwest Airlines, and constantly we are continuing to expand.
I'm Patrick Cavanagh. I'm a Senior Consultant of Workforce Planning and Workforce Analytics at Southwest Airlines. Southwest Airlines initiated their workforce planning when they're trying to advance their analytics and their planning for the future needs of the company. We've chosen Adaptive because of our Workday stack, and we're looking to go with the natural integrations.
We were approaching the idea to implement Adaptive. We initially met Invisors at the Rising event last year, and then we were also recommended by Workday about Invisors. So then we ended up starting a small RFP process. We kind of started exploring the vendors. One thing that most stood out was the people experience with Invisors. They were very straightforward when it came to the approach they were going to do or the experience they had. They were straightforward and pretty fair about their processes and how their experience can help us implement on time and within budget.
As a company, we had several different challenges. The most prominent one was our need for some of the reporting aspects that were needed. It revolved around comparing two different points in time using two different data feeds, and the Invisors team had to come up with a boomerang integration, as they called it, which would basically allow our leadership to see the data in the way they needed to. With all the successes we had on the project, the greatest one was our speed of turning around and getting to end-to-end testing. We had several challenges that were caused by our internal technology team, and Invisors was able to roll with those punches and get us through the finish line of getting to end-to-end testing in a reasonable amount of time, giving us time to actually produce and plan for our AOP processes of the fall of this year. Our partnership with Invisors has been an ongoing, involving relationship. Our adaptive launch was our first phase of a multi-phase project plan to bring in the full corporation as well as other systems and integrations down the road. I would wholeheartedly endorse Invisors to another company doing an implementation of Adaptive or any other Workday product. They were very easy to work with and very open to our processes and our differences on how we plan to use the tool, even though it was not standard and out of the box.